Alright. Here is the Q-9 machine in action. Pneumatic over here. Pneumatic over here. Both sides open and close like that. Okay. Very, very fast machine. Once the carpet's over here, now see this cradle here goes back and forth 2 feet. Okay. So when you load the roll, you can actually press the button and the cradle will come back towards you. Okay. You put the carpet down, automatically brings the carpet over here, puts it between those eyes right there. This carpet's not, it should be loaded a little more over here, but it puts it between those eyes and then it keeps it straight, keeps it from coning. So